Claim what you get before we get too late. But the way you do it, you get to the river. Carry me along, you know I got your back. Let me in your woman, baby, have no fear. You see me so repair, you should let me know. You should let me know how you feel about me so. I am calling you. Oh man, I gave all my life to you. What do I remember? Remember this. What was it? We were a crazy gradually this time. We were a crazy gradually this time. Now, before I continue, I want people to know say my personal African queen is the video. I know say all of them are African queen, all of them. All of them, all the ladies. All the ladies in the house make some noise, man. But I don't say I'm an African queen, but my own personal African queen is not I don't tell her. I don't tell her, say, make you no look any natural presence like that. Let me attend. I like the show for sign, I see you there, well done. What about the Chris? What the Chris? What's going on? I want to know you. I'm not fucking Chris. Okay, Peru's the days I see it. Okay, Peru's couldn't make it tonight. Oh, like Chris. Silver Fox. I'm happy to be here. I wanna make all of us be stars. So thank you to Westview. Thank you for taking it to that side, man. Thank you for taking it. Silver Fox now, that's what I see that now. Before I leave now, everywhere that I go these days, I give advice to the guys and I give advice to the ladies. I will start with the advice for the guys. Some of you might have heard it before, but I don't give a fuck. You have to hear it again, man. So this advice to the guys, then I will give advice to the ladies. The advice to the guys is this. My niggas. Thank you, I like that. Look at this. Just listen. Well, I don't hear them before, but still just listen. Guys, some people be acting like they know. Okay, not the one you know before. Just hear the advice I want to drop down. My guys, some people be acting like they know. But everybody knows they pick their rise and fall. So rise up again just to stand. and harder and stronger. But no matter how you fuck, you cannot fuck with all. You can only fuck your best because you know if you fuck all. And if you want to fuck, maybe you use condom. As you know what it does, I can talk from experience. I want to know my real. My African thing will promote for her. But want to know what it. Want to know what I said there. And to all the ladies in the house, my advice to you, if you have heard it before, fine. If you have not heard it before, hear it now. See, when you see that guy who you like, don't be playing up to this to me. Because there's no time to watch these videos, there's no time to lose. Ladies, you have to step up, man. That one, my old school tea said, I'm hard. So ladies, my advice to you is, let somebody love you. Let somebody touch you. Let somebody feel the space in your heart. Oh my ladies, let somebody press you. Let that nigga squeeze you. Let somebody raise you. Oh my ladies, let that nigga spread you. Let that nigga take you. Oh boy, see I know what I don't feeling in my heart and in my soul. Oh I know that it is love. And I know that this love was surely sent from up above. Cause you're the only one that I think of. You are my African queen. And I know that it means that you're the only one that I will serve. I'll give you my heart, my love, my body, and my money. Any other thing you think of. Who could think of anything better than you? Brown skin, yeah. Oh, not too much. Oh, not too much. Make some noise for Team Westwood, man. Make some noise for Team Westwood. Make some noise for Silver Trucks. Silver Trucks. Make some noise for yourself. All of you, not too much. You are too important. But my people, be careful, man. I know Photoshop being a passion for you. If I right now, I don't know what I'm talking right now.